Timothy Mitchell with HP Latex here, and we have a new printer. The new printer or printers are the HP Latex 560 and HP Latex 570. Now the HP Latex 560 and 570 are identical except that the 570 has a 3-liter bulk system. The 560 has the traditional 775 milliliter ink system. So one has the bulk system, one has the regular system. But we have a number of new features, and I want to show them to you and explain them, and then show you what they're for and why you would use them. Now, for me, one of the most remarkable features of these new printers is a product that we innovated. We invented this. Well, we didn't. An engineer at HP did. And this is a patented, wonderful little piece of technology that solves a long-standing and vexing problem when you print on PVC products. And particularly, the problem is when you print on certain PVC products in which the plasticizers have problems and you have poor surface tension. Particularly, this is common in banners, PVC banners. It's seen in some PVC wall coverings. And it's also seen in adhesive vinyl that's manufactured with PVC. Now, in another video, we discussed plasticizer issues and what it looks like and how it happens. Well, with this printer, for a lot of that banner that's gone south, where it has the squiggly lines on it and the blotchy, splotchy images and the terrible graininess, we have a new tool that we invented at HP called the wiper roller. Now, I am holding the wiper roller. This is one end of the wiper roller. I'm going to flip this over and show you the other end of the wiper roller, which has a little gear on it. The wiper roller is a new product that is inserted into the 560 and 570 as needed. Okay, you don't need to run it all the time. But if you're going to run a material and you see the traditional poor issues with the banner, the splotchiness, the graininess, the wavy lines, if you put this wiper roller in, the gear goes into a gear point. The other side rides loose. The gear works geared against the material, and what it does is it wipes or brushes the material, and it takes the irregular plasticizer and it smooths it out so it's uniform. And by doing that, we have found that you can take a banner that is terrible, unsaleable, and turn it into a good-looking, saleable banner just by putting this wiper roller in. And then when you're done, you take the wiper roller out. The wiper roller is viewed as a consumable. Now, the wiper roller comes with the printer, one wiper roller, and if you need to order additional wiper rollers, you can order the additional wiper rollers from your HP support or HP Supply, from your reseller. I believe they come 3 to a kit. And so you'll get 3 additional wiper rollers. Now save the cap. This gear and then the other side actually pop out. So save that. What you're getting is the entire roller, but not the end cap. So make sure you don't get rid of those. Save those. This is a consumable, and it will last for 30 or 40 rolls of banner. I mean, you'll have a nice long life out of this. It doesn't wear down easily. It doesn't wear down quickly. Eventually, as this specialized foam does wear down, you get another one, and then you use that as your wiper roller. So there are some parts, particularly I've been to many countries, where the quality control on a lot of the plasticizer for the banners and a lot of the vinyl is just very irregular. And it's real tough because latex will leave these squiggly lines that'll be very noticeable that there are issues with the surface tension of that PVC product. But this wiper roller, it really does address that. Let me show you what I mean. Here are some images that I printed. Now, I saved a lot of banner that is very old. This is probably 5 years old. It is a very inexpensive, smooth PVC banner. And if you notice, it has all the hallmarks in the top part here of terrible banner. It has the squiggly lines. It has the terrible imaging. It's all grainy and splotchy. And then through this front part here, there is no wiper roller that has been applied because it's early in the roll. But you see down on the bottom, that's where the wiper roller started. That's where the wiper roller first started brushing this material. And you can see the very stark difference as you reach just towards the end of the bottom here. It goes from terrible to nice and smooth. And that's what the wiper roller does. It's very important if you have a poor banner that you can't return, or you have adhesive vinyl that sat around too long, or you have an older half a roll of wall covering that now has sat there for 3 years or 2 years, and you're wondering, do I have image quality problems? Well, put your wiper roller on and just fire up, because it's going to be fine. I have found the wall covering, especially some PVC wall coverings. I had some very old Dreamscape products. They printed beautiful with a wiper roller. In fact, I gave those samples out at SGIA, and everybody thought they looked fantastic. Well, that was not a new wall covering. That was a very old PVC wall covering. This is what this same image looks like when you completely apply the wiper roller. This image goes from absolutely terrible, a completely unpresentable, to a very high quality print just by running that wiper roller. So it's quite an invention. It's something new for HP. It's something we're introducing only on the 500 series. Only the 500 series at this time, the 560 and the 570, have the wiper roller. So if you're faced with issues, plaguing issues with banner or SAV or just inconsistency with plasticizers, this is your solution.